Coming up in and around the city of Pattaya today and the coming week, this Saturday the 22nd of November will see the matcha workshop at the Brew and Bar at the Holiday Inn Hotel. Learn how to make 3 matcha menus, take home your own matcha making equipment and matcha powder, and enjoy desserts throughout the event. Pre-reservations are essential, and that's from 2 till 4 p.m. Saturday the 22nd of November is the Bangkok Pattaya Hospital Christmas for Grace and Remembrance charity event. Enjoy some Christmas shopping, live entertainment, a charity raffle and DIY workshops. That's from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. What not to miss this Saturday is the finals of the Spirit of Siam Muay Thai Boxing Championship. A total of 7 fights between top Thai and international boxers. Entrance for spectators is completely free, and that's at the Central Marina Outlet Mall from 6 p.m. onwards. This weekend, world champions and Olympic stars from around the globe will come together here in Pattaya for the International Badminton Sawasdee Cup. That's a 3-day-long event until Sunday the 23rd, taking place at the Eastern National Sports Training Centre on Soi Chaiyapreuk 2. Some great promotions at the 66 Tavern on Soi Siam Country Club. They're serving up Sunday roast starting at just 199 baht. Every Monday is Ladies' Night with a buy one get one free on the cocktails. And every Friday night, kickstart your weekend with live music by the popular Respect Band, playing all your favourite hits from the 60s, 70s, 80s and 90s from 7 till 10 p.m. Eat all you can this Saturday evening at the Symphony of Elements buffet. That's at the Element restaurant at the Intercontinental Pattaya Resort. Enjoy imported oysters and seafood on ice, Australian prime rib, rock lobster and much more. Priced at just 1,290 baht per person from 6 till 10 p.m. And next weekend is the Pattaya International Fireworks Festival on both Friday and Saturday. At the Holiday Inn Hotel on Beach Road, watch the show from the 25th floor of their executive tower with a 3-hour free flow of drinks. Relax by their 4th floor poolside whilst enjoying a buffet and a free flow of drinks. Or at their spa pavilion, they're offering canapé sets, 2 drinks and a 50-minute relaxing foot massage with discounted prices for bookings before the 24th of November. Packages are priced between only 1,600 and 2,000 baht net per person. At the Leh Beach Club, celebrate under the stars with a beachfront buffet and a free flow of beverages all night, from 7 p.m. until late, with prices starting at just 3,500 baht net per person. And choose from 3 different options at the Yitong Chinese Restaurant and Sky Bar. Elevate your evening with canapes and a free flow of drinks on their rooftop. Watch the show from their entrance bar. Or enjoy a Chinese buffet at the Yitong restaurant, washed down with a free flow of drinks, with prices starting at just 1,000 baht net per person. For more information on these events, visit our events page over on our website, alwayspattaya.com.